I don't understand though, I beg. Now Benin Two-Face come dey stay now. Eh? Wait oh, Two-Face now Benin you come dey stay now. This your own don pass Joromi Two-Face. Eh? I know wetin Natasha gave you it. Una need to see Annie. Annie don fall out again. Ew. Annie no dey see beautiful woman wey Two-Face leave. Go dey meet that shapeless junkie Natasha. Una need to see Annie now. Not go there. Wait, the one wey me no come understand then. Now Benin Two-Face come dey stay now. Eh? Two-Face where suppose make they use money they look. A Two-Face I want get for free. Na. Now Two-Face they come they go different all those small bar go they sing. Go they do it at that's go they entertain them. Two-Face. I be not be the same Two-Face so we know that year and I be this one. I be this one another Two-Face. Two-Face na tell you go get work and I want get for free. Natasha you they carry Two-Face they go different all those small bar for Benin. May go they sing. A whole Two-Face of that year. Now wow, this life no balance, sha. Two-Face, now you just come hear yourself like this. When you there with Annie, you know they see the way, you know they see your doings. Eh? You can follow Natasha, they go different restaurant, different bar. Oh, Two-Face is broke here. Two-Face not broke, rich like that. And hey, so Two-Face na gold digger. So now because of the hole where you want go dig, now make you go meet Natasha. Because this one where you there now don't pass Joromi. Two-Face na tell una you go get free age. Two-Face now free that they look Two-Face now. If they look for Two-Face, just go Amagba